build trust and get people to know, like, and trust you, then you need to think ahead of the game. Okay, you need to think like 3 or 4 steps ahead of the consumer who's thinking about selling in your particular town. And the quickest and easiest way of doing that is through video ads. Okay, whether that's we're leaning towards more YouTube because it's owned by Google. And the beautiful thing about YouTube, when you're running ads, is you can actually run ads right in front of people who are looking at your competitors' websites. Okay, so you might be a small brand and you might have bigger agencies in your area, and there's probably people going to their brand before because of they've got no like and trust. What we've got to do now is basically get our name. Okay, a shortcut is basically get our name in front of those people who are actually looking, but also we can target people who are looking for an estate agent or have been looking for an estate agent in the last 13 to 14 days. Okay, and we run video ads. Okay, now most people get hung up on the fact that I don't want my face in front of the camera. Don't worry, we've got actors that can act on your behalf and just read a script. Now these types of videos here are educational. They're not all about sell. You want to sell your house? Do you want to sell your house? Do you want to sell your house? What we do is before we even do that, we've got to get people to know, like, and trust us and build a following. Okay. Now, like I say, we're not just talking to 18 to 24-year-olds here. We're talking to people that are probably over 45 plus, who are homeowners in your postcode. Okay. So here's some video ideas that I've just put together now. So one is where to invest. Okay. You might have a hotspot. You might it might be in a small town. Obviously, might not be applicable if you've got a good ROI and all that sort of stuff. And where to invest is a really good video because you're getting investors. Okay, people that want to sell. Obviously, you want to create video about the local market conditions. Now, that obviously does fluctuate, not just from postcode to postcode, but throughout the year. Obviously, political and financial, economic, microeconomies and that sort of stuff. But also, what I've found is that agents that are using YouTube and creating video content around the market, local monthly market reports. So, educate the homeowner in a particular area, postcode, town, city, wherever you are, on how many houses went to market, how many houses went to sold, and what's the average price range, and what are you seeing in terms of the buyer interest in the area. That type of thing doesn't have to be, can be less than 5 minutes. It's just about getting this face in front of your ideal consumer at the right time. Now, very, very simple to do. These videos here are recorded on phones. Okay, so nothing more than that really. Nothing, no Canon, DH, whatever. 700 quid or £1,000. No DJI drone footage involved and that sort of stuff. It's very, very simple. Recorded on a camera. Obviously, they've got a little microphone, so there's no road noise and stuff like that, but it's very natural. These are like sort of 2-3 minute little clips, and we drip these out over a period of say 3 to 4 weeks, and then we basically boost them through YouTube. Another video that is a bit old now, but it certainly works. The best roads. Okay, so just think of your town or your area and break it down and go, right, where do people get the most, or what type of property gets the best, okay, to invest? What's the local market conditions, monthly market reports, and the best roads? I mean, this list can go on forever, but I wanted to share with you as well the audience targeting within Google. Okay, we can actually target, which you can't do in social media now. Back in about 2012, you could target homeowners in your particular town. Now, obviously, that's been decimated now. But in YouTube, we can actually do it. So we can actually target homeowner status, and then give it a postcode, and then basically show ads to this area. We'll see massive results in terms of getting people to know, like, and trust you. This has a ramp up time, so this is like weeks and months in advance. But hopefully, you'll build up that know, like, and trust, and then you'll have people going up and watching your videos. We have it ourselves. The amount of videos I produce pretty much every other day. We've been doing it for years, and I've still got videos that are still pulling in leads 2 or 3 years later. That's what you want. Now, you don't want to give these videos here any particular time. So you want to make them what's called evergreen. So they're pretty much good all year round. Obviously, apart from the monthly market reports, but literally, that's the type of videos we would suggest that you at least start off with, really. So yeah, if you've got any questions about this, then you can always reach out to us. This is about getting local people, local families to get to know, like, and trust you. Okay. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, you can schedule a call in the description below, and I look forward to helping you. Take care now.